Creating a voiced script is very easy. In this video, we'll show you step by step how you can convert a simple text to natural speech. To start, let's go to the voicedscripts.com website and click on the Start Right Away button. We scroll down to the text box and enter the text. Creating a voiced script is very easy. In this video, we'll show you step by step how you can convert a simple text to natural speech. We click Submit. After a short pause for processing, we are taken to the second step where we can assign voices to characters in our script. For this first example, let's not select any voices but simply continue, to see what happens. We click on the Skip this step link. Since this is our first time in the session using the web app, we're asked for an email address, which the program will use to let us have the download link for the voiced script we create, at the end. We enter our email address and then click on the Submit button. At the third step, we arrive at a confirmation page. As you can see, the app assigned Abby, that's me, as the default narrator, since we didn't choose a custom voice. We see no errors in the text, so we're ready to create the MP3. The program sent us a verification code when we entered our email address. We look that up and enter it into the box on this screen. We then click on I want to buy the voiced script. Assuming that we purchased some on-demand credits, we can click on Use credits and proceed at the payment screen. The app will deduct 2 cents from our on-demand credits. We arrive at a thank you page, where we are informed how long the voiced script creation process will take. In this simple case, it's probably already been created, so we go straight to the My Downloads page. With a longer script, your file may at first appear as pending on this screen. In that case, give our web app a few minutes to work, and then click on Refresh. In this simple case, the MP3 file is already there and we can listen to it here. Creating a voiced script is very easy. In this video, we'll show you step by step how you can convert a simple text to natural speech. And finally, let's download the MP3 file. That's it. This was a demonstration of how easy it is to create a voiced script.